So guys, nandito yung aming saging. Gawa kami ng mango banana fruit shake. Ewan ko, shake ba yun? Or fruit, or juice. Ayan, 2 mangga. And saging. Ayan. Mangga, 2, tsaka 3 overripe. Overripe na ba ito? Bananas. So, nakat na natin yung mango. And binabalatan na niya yung mangga. Next, I'm gonna do is the bananas. So, peel natin yung banana. Which is, by the way, lakatan. So, we'll be using another bowl. So, we have this bowl for the mango and the banana. Try namin kasi bagong bili lang yung blade ng aking Oster. Nasira kasi yung parang rubber niya. So, good thing after 1 year, sabi nga ni Kuya 1 year ata bago nagkaroon ng delivery nung actually kung nasira na raw yung rubber or wala na yung rubber, wala ka mabibila ng rubber lang. Kailangan yung buong parang unit na may blade. And that will cost you 458 pesos. So, pwede na. Nice. Dapat pinakita mo sa kanila sa video using the glass in removing the mango. So, we're on our second banana. Oh my God, tumatalon pa yung saging. I'm just cutting it this way. Pwede naman hindi na i-cut kasi malambot naman yung banana. Pero para mas magkasya siya dun sa Oster, we're gonna cut it. Our third banana. So, nauuso ngayon yung mga diet na juice, green juice. I haven't tried the celery na ginagawang juice. Hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan ko siya, pero I don't know, magda-diet siguro, yun ang gawin. Yun ang iinumin pala. So, we're almost done. Pinapakita mo sa kanila. Like that to, yung isang way ng pagtatanggal ng mangga using glass. There. So, make sure na itapon ng basura ang kalat. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na binili ko ulit. Bumili kami ng bago kasi nawala yung rubber. Kahit daw rubber lang yung wala. You have to buy this whole thing na merong blade kasi wala ka daw mabibili ng mismong rubber. So, ito yung binili ko many years ago. So, we'll be putting the fruits here. We have the mango, banana, evaporated milk, water if we needed, ice, and mag-add na lang tayo ng sugar kung kailangan. Pero kung hindi naman, since matamis na yung prutas, wag na tayong mag-add ng sugar. Ano yung Oster natin? Ito yung, sorry guys, na-cut ako. I'll just bend. Open natin. Ayan. Ito, yung rubber na nakikita nyo sa loob, nasira na yung ganyan ko. Nasira na siya, tapos nawala pa. So, this one is 458 pesos. This one, yung whole thing, hindi ko na matandaan, pero less than 2,000. Ewan ko lang ngayon kung magkano siya. So, let's put the mango muna. Let's put the mango. So, sana hindi ito mga po. Okay, so okay na yung banana and mango. We'll be adding the ice. So we're now adding the rest of the bananas. We're done. Hindi pa namin nilalagyan ng sugar kasi feeling ko matamis na. Here's my glass and then we're gonna do the taste test. Let's pour in the mango banana shake. Ooh, look at that. Okay, enough? And let me taste it. Ooh, sarap. I like it. Namiss ko to. Dati na ako nakagawa niyan nung bago kong bili. Kaya lang nasira na yung rubber. Wala na. Very refreshing. Shake na siya. Wala. Take. So, here guys, I have two mango banana shake. This one is the original. Bakit ko sinabing original? This is just ice, mango, banana, milk. This second version, nilagyan ng sugar, konting sugar, honey, same din, mango, banana, milk. Kaya lang nag-add siya ng sugar and honey. Konting-konting sugar and konting honey. So, may difference talaga kasi ito, mas thick and then, ito dinagdagan niya ng ice eh. So, ito, more on sweetness nung banana and mango yung malalasahan mo. And this one naman, masarap din siya kasi parehas masarap. Parehas silang masarap. Yun nga lang, ito yung mas healthier version kasi no added sugar, no honey. Ito, pero yung honey mas okay naman kumpara sa sugar. Ito may konting sugar, may honey. Parehas masarap. Mas sweet lang to ng very, very light. Tsaka yung consistency, ito mas thick yung consistency ng pagka-shake nito kumpara dito. I'm so happy. So do not forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!